Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to undo or Ctrl Z up to 1000 times in Adobe Photoshop. It isn't very easy in Adobe Photoshop. First, we go to the edit, In edit, we find preferences, go to the preferences. In preferences, we find performance, go to the performance. In performance, we find history status. Go to the here, click at here and make sure slide to the end of it, and end of it is in 1000 times. Now our history status is 1000 times. Now click on the OK. Now we test our Ctrl Z or undo is work for the some time or not. Okay, now our Ctrl Z is working and it is work for the 1000 times. So guys, this is the simplest way to undo or Ctrl Z up to 1000 times in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.